Hi guys, this is Shiva. Today we are going to review about electronic pollution mask. The box contains pollution mask filters and manual. The pollution mask can be controlled in 3 different modes: high, medium, low. I will check this pollution mask with homemade smoke. Does it worth it or not? This clip is completely taken in slow motion video. As we can see that smoke doesn't pass through the mask. As we can see, the mask contains some motor. Because of that, the smoke passes away. Once again, I am checking this mask so that the smoke passes through the mask or not. This mask battery capacity is 550 milliamps, and if you charge for 45 minutes it will work for up to 1.5 hours. For charging you need to use micro USB port. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel.